Hello, in front of me I've got Flydigi Vader4 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage force adjustable joysticks. In the beginning, take a look at the joysticks. Right here we've got left and right joysticks that can be force adjustable. Rotate the force adjustable knob to adjust the joystick damping continuously. Clockwise rotation increases the damping, provides more stability for precise control. Counterclockwise rotation decreases the damping, allows for more flexibility, and reduces hand fatigue. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.